Now we'll learn about how we can draw circle with tangent option by using tangent. Now to draw a circle with tangent, if we go here, circle command or circle option, then we'll see tan radius option, tan radius. So we'll use that option for tan radius. I'll click here. So from here, I have to specify point on the object for first tangent of circle. So where our first tangent of circle will be created. Now I am giving here, suppose that option, that tangent, and second point. So here will be our second point. So after that, we have to provide radius of circle. First of all, we have selected tangent, then we have selected another tangent, and now we need radius. So what will be the radius actually? What will be the radius of our circle actually? We have to provide that. Now I am providing radius of circle 150 feet, and then I will click enter, but see they have no circle actually. So why? What is the reason here actually? Why this circle are not creating or not showing? So they have an interesting reason. I have selected a circle for 150 feet, 150 feet radius, but what is the distance from that tangent to that tangent? I mean, that point and that point will be two sides of our circle. If I see the linear from here, from that point to that point, just see this value are 200. So your radius should be 200 or more than 200. Is it clear? So if I delete it and if I again go for that option, tan radius, by using another option you can go, just simply press C and then enter. After that we can press that option, TTR, tan radius. Clear? So if I click here TTR, then this is our first point of tangent, this is our second tangent, and if we provide the value of our radius, so if I provide 210 feet, then enter. Sorry, I've done a mistake, it should be radius. Okay, so that was the total distance. Again I'll go here, circle, and again this is tan radius, then first point and second point, and what will be our radius, or what will be our diameter? So the we know the radius is 2 times of diameters. So for and we know this distance is 200 feet, and I'll provide suppose 420 feet. If I enter, now again we're seeing this option are not giving us a circle. Clear? So what is the reason actually? The reason is we are taking some tangent where this is not possible. Why not possible? Because with respect to that point and that point, when we are providing some value which are more than 200 or less than 200, then our software is not able to create any circle with that 2 point. Now again if we go for another practice or another attempts, now I'll go again for tan radius, and if I click first point, and if I click second point, and if I provide the value of our tangent value of our circle radius is 400, and even it's not creating because it's not possible. So how we can go for that? We can go for these types of tan radius. So how? Just see, now again I'll go for tan radius, I'll click here, I'll click here, and now if I provide the radius of circle, now a circle will be generated. So what will be the radius of circle? Any value now you can provide. Suppose radius will be 400 feet, and enter. Just see a circle have been generated with 400 feet radius. Is it clear? And again if we go here, and if we try again here, now I'll go that here and I'll go here. And if I provide radius of circle 100 feet, and if we enter, it's not working, but here it's working. But here if we go for that point, and if I select that option 10 radius, and if I click that point, and if we provide our radius, so suppose it's 50 feet, enter, just see it's creating a circle with that point and that point, but not creating a circle with that point and that point. Because if we want to create a circle with that point and that point, then we have to use another command, that is 2 point. If I click here and if I click here, it will give us a circle. So why we need to use that 10 radius? Are you clear about that? So if they have any issue or if they have any question, just comment me or contact with your instructor directly. I'm here to help you anymore.